Good morning, everyone. In this session, I tell you how to create a CSV file from a data frame. Okay, let's start. So, first step is to import necessary libraries. Here I am going to import pandas library. Import pandas as give an alias name called PD. Okay, run this cell. Next, we consider some sample data. Okay, now here I am going to consider two things. One is number of hours read by 5 students and score obtained in particular subject by those 5 students. So I would like to create one data with these two requirements. Okay. Now I'm going to create one dictionary called data. We all know that dictionary contains key value pairs. I consider one first key as number of hours read. So I'm going to take 5 students values like 2. First student has spent 2 hours. Second student has spent 3 hours like 1 hour, 4, 5. Okay. Now next second key score in subject. Now same thing. Now, first student has got 65 marks, next 70 marks, next 50 marks by third student, and 80 followed by 95. Okay, now run this cell. Yes. The next step is to create a data frame from this data. Create a data frame. In pandas, we have a function or method called as data frame. Okay. Now I am giving one alias name called, one object name called df. Okay. Df equal to, I am using this pandas. So I mentioned an alias name called pd. Pd dot data frame. For this data frame, supply the data. Okay. So immediately run the cell, a data frame is created. Check whether df is called as data frame or not. So by checking its type, for the type function supply the data frame name called df. So obviously it returns it as a data frame only. Okay. Now our goal is to save this data frame as a CSV file. So save this data frame as a CSV file. Okay. Okay. Now use this data frame name called df dot to underscore CSV and mention some file name, CSV file name. Assume that sample underscore score dot CSV and run this cell. Okay. Yeah, sample underscore score is not defined. So enclose this file name in quotes. Sorry, you need to mention whole thing. Okay. Now here search sample underscore sample underscore score dot CSV. Okay. Yes. Number of hours read, score in each subject, followed by 5 student information. But when you observe in the first line, you got one special symbol. Okay, now we remove it by mentioning one more parameter called index and assign value called false. Now again refresh, it has gone. Okay, so like this you can create a CSV file from a data frame. Now you all can use this CSV file for various uses. Okay, later. So we followed some steps like first we have imported pandas and we took one sample data set and we created data frame from this data set. Later we converted or we saved this data frame as a CSV file with the help of 2 underscore CSV. So we have not mentioned any file path. So obviously the newly created CSV file will be created in our present working directory only. Okay, that's it. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.